New Book Friday. Let's see what's in here. This is from Junior Library Girl. I ordered a lot of backlist books from them. Stuff that's been out a little while, but we didn't have. So let's see what's all in here. We got some mystery. The real McCoys Wonder Undercover. The 40 Thieves, Marjana's Tale. This is inspired by Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Beverly right here. This is the third book in Katie Camilo's series, US series. Let's see. Ooh, Sauerkraut by Kelly Jones. Somebody's getting a ghostly help with their cooking. The Boy Who Grew Dragons. So if you're somebody who loves dragons, this looks like a really fun little book. And we have lots and lots more. I see, here we go, a brand new one by Nick Stone, Clean Getaway. It's a kid who's grabbed his suitcase. He's going on an unplanned trip with his grandma. Looks like there's an RV involved. So that's new from Junior Library Guild. And let's see what we get from Follett. Looks like just a replacement book or one that hadn't come earlier. Kobe Bryant. I mean, we know all of us are sad at his death, but if you want to read about his life, you can read Who Was Kobe Bryant. It'll be available soon. And last but not least, some nonfiction series from Lerner. This is a bonus book we just got. And it's all vertical takeoff aircraft. Triumph of Human Flight, super fast jets, and personal aircraft. Fun stuff to read about, and I can't wait for you guys to check them out.